Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class arranged by Mehrunnisa Girls High School. This is Muhammad Abdul Jalil Talukdar, Assistant Teacher of English, Mehrunnisa Girls High School, Inayatpur, Shirazganj. Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are okay and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, I am also fine. Dear students, today I am going to take a class from English first paper, especially for the students of class 9 and 10. Dear students, at first I would like to show you a picture. Look at the picture. Dear students, do you know or guess what is the picture about? Oh, okay, fine. Thank you very much. Each and every student can guess what is the picture about. So I am happy for your right answer. Dear students, it is a picture which bears the significance of our Independence Day. You know, as Bangladeshis, we observe many significant days or important days every year. There are so many days in our Bangladesh which we observe with great respect, and they are 26th March, 21st February, 16th December, etc. Dear learners, today I am going to share with you about our Independence Day. Unit 3, Lesson 5. There are some questions here. Look at the whiteboard. Question number, what can you see in the picture? Number 2, where is it? Number 3, why was it built? Can anybody answer this question? Oh, thank you very much. Javed, can you answer? What can you see in the picture? Thank you very much. You can see a picture of our independence related symbol. We call it the National Memorial. Thanks a lot for your right answer. Rashid, can you answer this question? Where is it? Yes, thank you very much. It is situated at Shawar. Okay, fine. Number 3, why was it built? Why was it built? Nasima, can you answer? Thank you. It was built to show the respect to our martyrs who laid down in 1971 for the sake of our independence. Okay, fine. Next, dear answer. Please, learners, I would like to read out a text. I hope you are ready to enjoy my class. Lesson 5 from Unit 3, Independence Day. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with a 31-gun salute. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the nation place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Sabha. Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. Dear learners, I hope you can guess the text. Now, look at the whiteboard. I have a question here. Read the following text and fill in each gap with a suitable word based on the information of the text. I have already read out a text from Unit 3, Lesson 5. I hope you have enjoyed the passage or text. Now, answer these questions. Here we have 5 gaps or blanks. You have to use only one word for making the passage meaningful. Attention please. 26 March is a dash letter day for the people of Bangladesh. On this day, our dash war began. The heroic sons of our country dashed their lives, so the whole nation dash the day every year to dash respect to the martyrs. To make the passage meaningful, we have to select a right word. 26 March is a dash letter day. Rashid, can you answer? Yes, thank you very much. 26 March is a red letter day for the people of Bangladesh. Next, number B. On this day, our dash war began. On this day, our dash war began. Shima, can you answer? Yes, thank you very much. On this day, our liberation war. Our liberation war began. Next, the heroic sons of our country dashed their lives. Meena, can you answer? Yes, thank you very much. The heroic sons of our country dashed their lives. Sacrificed. Okay? Why sacrificed? Because it is a past indefinite tense structure. You know, this incident took place in 1971 and it is a past form passage. Next, so the whole nation dash the day every year to dash the dash respect to the martyrs. So the whole nation, yes, celebrate. Yeah, thank you very much. Or observe, celebrate or observe. It is a present form. The whole nation observe the day every year to dash respect the martyrs. Can you answer? Yes. To show or thank you. Pay. We have to remember only one word can be used here for each gap, and it should be a meaningful word. Dear learners, I hope you all enjoyed my class. No more today, any more tomorrow, next class. Allah Hafiz.